Hello guys, this is Vysh. So UPSC Prelims 2022 is this Sunday, June 5. So many students failed in the 2021 just because they failed in CSAT. Okay, they had done extremely well in the GS1 paper. I can show you mark list also. So it is very sad that you fail in CSAT. Okay, which is just a qualifying paper. So how to clear this particular paper, CSAT paper, which is a qualifying paper? I'll give you some important tips. Which last year also 3 days before the prelims I had published. So today again 3 days before the prelims I am publishing. Okay, so please take it seriously and also go to Vaishya's channel and see the latest last 5 to 10 videos which I have uploaded. From there itself, you will get at least 10 to 15 extra marks on June 5. Okay, this is a guarantee from me. If you watch the previous year questions, if you watch the tips which we are giving, you will score extra 10 to 15 marks, and that can easily make you cross the cutoff. Okay, you know cutoff is going very low these days. This is last year's one of the students mark list. Okay, where he has cleared, an OBC student cleared the paper 1 and but failed in paper 2, okay, GS, because you need at least 66 marks here. So I will explain the complete thing also in just 10 to 12 minutes. The complete CSAT will be clear to you and you will easily clear it. Okay, so just watch it till the end. So the cutoff, if you see 2021, is the lowest ever cutoff till, like, if you see last 7-8 years, because 2016 the cutoff was more than 115 or 116. Okay, and now if you see it is 87. So you can imagine how competitive this exam is, how tough this exam is, how difficult students are facing to solve that basic questions. Okay, in 200 marks, in 87, if you can't score, that means it's very difficult paper nowadays. Okay, it's difficult because you are just not following little bit of tricks and rules, so that I will teach you through these videos. Okay, so now GS paper 2 CSAT, which we will talk, it's just 33% marks. Okay, so why students are failing is the first thing you have to understand. Okay, why most people fail in UPSC? Because they don't know about the paper. Okay, because you start studying, you simply take books after books and toppers notes and coaching notes, this Telegram, WhatsApp groups of copy pasted material, Vision IAS, Vajiram, you get all these free of cost nowadays, and so you think by hearting these things is what is the key to success. But that is not how it is. Before you begin study for UPSC, you have to study about UPSC. Okay, what it contains, why people are failing, what marks it is, what is the negative marking, what is it that is causing my failure. Okay, so CSAT does not need any coaching or preparation as such, because it is not a main paper. Okay, it is just for you to qualify. So for that, you have to know how much marks it has. It has 200 marks, same like morning paper, but you should know there are only 80 questions. So when morning it was 100 questions, you know, it is 2 marks per question. It is 80 questions, means it is 2.5 marks per question. So you get 2.5 marks for one question, means you can easily reach the cutoff also if you solve very limited number of questions. Okay, but there is a catch. Like 0.66 is the negative marking for morning paper, there is 0.833 negative marking for the afternoon paper, because it is 1/3 of the marks allotted to the question. So marks allotted is 2.5 mark here. So marks allotted 1/3 is 0.833. So that is why many people, because coaching institute tell them go and attempt 50, 60, 70 questions, you go make a lot of negative, and that is why you fail. Okay, you will be easily reaching the cutoff, but you simply make it negative and spoil it. Okay, so now you need to just score 33%, that is 66 out of 200 questions. So question numbers, if you see, out of 80 questions, just 27 you have to make it right, that is 67.5 marks you will get. And the good thing is you can skip 53 questions. Okay, nowhere in this world there is any exam where there are 80 questions and they are telling you skip 53 questions and just do the remaining correctly and still I'll make you pass. There is no exam in the world, okay, which has this kind of ratio. So please see to it that you are making use of this. Okay, this is not a very big thing to get tensed and all. If you had cleared the morning paper, you have every easy potential to clear the afternoon paper as well. So I'll tell you how. Okay, you can clear. So the CSAT syllabus in UPSC website, okay, the basic keywords which they have given is this one. Okay, 200 marks, 2 hours, comprehension, interpersonal skills including communication skills, logical reasoning and analytical ability, decision making and problem solving, general mental ability, basic numeracy. And these are all, if you see, class 10th level. Okay, it's not like your 11th standard, 12th standard, lot of trigonometry kind of thing, or lot of Pythagoras, or lot of the integration, differentiation. These things are not required. You need the basic, like how to read a table, how to read a pie chart, the basic thing which you see in the newspapers, economic survey and all that, data oriented thing only you need to know. Okay, and some basic passages which also nowadays they are copy pasting from economic survey or the Hindu editorials only. Okay, so now 33% qualifying, it is multiple choice, objective type, and it's mandatory for people to attend it. You know that morning when you go and attend itself, your attempt is counted. Okay, if you don't go to the exam hall, it's not counted. Okay, meaning you apply the form, you do everything, you get the admit card, but still you don't go, attempt is not counted. But if you go and sit the morning paper, your attempt is anyway counted. What happens is most people, because morning paper went so bad, they will immediately afternoon go to their house. They don't even sit for the afternoon paper because they think anyway I am failed. But what I will suggest is, even if morning paper is failed, please sit for the afternoon paper also. Okay, because when you sit in that pressure environment and try to do this, you will understand that how difficult it is or how easy it is. What should I do correctly next time? Everything you learn in that environment. Don't go back home and then believe coaching institutes answer key and all. Okay, you have to sit there even if you fail the morning paper. That's the first tip. Now, type of questions in little bit breakup I'll give you, not the syllabus how they gave just copy pasted 4-5 lines. Little breakup of each and everything. Okay, so if I ask a non-serious aspirant what is CSAT, immediate his answer is English and maths, and that's the kind of people will definitely fail this exam. Okay, because you cannot tell it is English and maths. In English there are a lot of things, in that only few selected sections is what is asked in CSAT. In maths there are a lot of things, few selected sections are asked. So reality what it is, English comprehension passages are there, quantitative aptitude is there. I will explain what is this. Okay, logical reasoning or mental ability is there, data interpretation is there, and we will see how each thing is there. Okay, what comes under each thing. So passages, if you see breaking down passages, long passages used to be the trend, where earlier they'll give 1.5 page of like big essay kind of thing, and based on that they'll give you 4-5 questions. So in one reading you will get 5 questions correct. Okay, because 5 questions are related to the same passage. But now they made it difficult by putting just small passages, which is just like a paragraph, and from that they ask you one question, then again another paragraph. So totally there are 18, 20, 25 passages in your CSAT paper. Okay, I'll show you the question paper also at the end of this video. So it becomes more difficult because you have to read each passage to solve each answer. Okay, so that is the one problem. Then they will ask statement based. The question will be like this, like what is the best inference, what is the corollary, what is the rational critical inference from this particular thing, what do you logically understand from this passage. So they need a one liner, meaning ABCD type question, you need a one liner. So that is why it is little difficult, like what does it imply. Then statement type questions are also there, like your morning paper, like one only, two only, both one and two, that kind of things also has come. But that is little more easier I would say, because there will be some extreme statement like only, all and all, that you eliminate and directly you will get the answer. But this imply inference, because it's ABCD type statement, it is little difficult than statement type question. Okay, these are the basic things I'm telling you. Then meanings opposite will be there, some words and all, you have to understand the meanings opposite, then only you can get to the answer. Okay, this is about the passage. Now we'll break down. This is the white color thing I break down now. Now I'll see the quantitative aptitude. Okay, so simple number system sequence is there. Okay, like 6 comma 11 comma 15 comma 30 comma something will be there. Fill in the blanks. You have to find the sequence, like how they have made it. It may be a square or cube, or maybe something into 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 1, like that. They are finding out each number. Okay, the sequence, what will be the next number, or what is the missing number. Okay, that is a simple type thing. Then average and percentages. Okay, like this much percentage milk and water is mixed, then something is added, chili powder is added, something grocery item they'll take and mix it. Okay, this every year happens. Okay, but some people find it confusing, so it's okay if you don't do it also. As I told, totally from all this you need to solve 27 questions only. Okay, so your strength you have to find out. Then profit and loss is there, probability is there. Okay, the dice and all, you take dice and throw it, and then it comes 6 and 4. What is the probability that this will come? Or there is a bag with red ball and green ball. Now pick what is the probability that every time you will get a green ball, or every time. So that is all that permutation, combination, basic things which is in your 8th standard to 10th standard level mathematics. Okay, still I know some people find it confusing. Still I am telling, if you don't know all these things, there will be other topics from which you can score. Okay, area, volume and all, basic 5-10 formulas are there of square, cube, then that quadrilateral, or that basic 10-15 figures of 2D and 3D, area and volume. If you want in a paper, write it and by heart it on the day of exam in the morning. Okay, because sometimes there will be like how much money is required to paint a particular wall of a house or something like that. Basic area volume calculation will be there in case it comes. Okay, then basic geometry, like what is a right triangle, what is an equilateral triangle, then that Pythagoras theorem, basic sin theta cos theta, basic thing. Okay, not the high level thing, basic in which you see the options and you get the answer, that kind of level questions. For that I'm telling, don't open your mathematics textbook, instead open the CSAT question paper, then you will understand like what I'm trying to tell. It will be very easy direct questions. Okay, now this is about the blue color, this quantitative. Now we'll see the green one, logical reasoning or mental ability, which is one of my favorite also, which is the easiest to solve. Okay, first one is directions or arrangement based, meaning directions means you are in a house, you step out of your house, walk 3 km east, 4 km west, 10 km northwest, and then finally they will tell from your starting point where are you or which direction are you, and options will be northwest, northeast, north south, something will give, and last option will be like you cannot infer based on the given data, meaning data is insufficient to tell the answer. That kind of thing is also there. So this is the easiest one I will tell. Okay, arrangement based, meaning there are 25 books or 25 students are standing in a row, the third student from the left is standing here, fourth student from the right is standing here. Finally they'll ask you something only like who is standing next to whom, okay, or books are there, or people are sitting around a round table with different arrangement, okay, that is one easy type of question. Then blood relation again, okay, like he will tell he is the mother of him, he is the sister of him, he is the nephew of him, he is the niece of him. So this English words like basic nephew, niece, what it is, you should know. Other than that, it's very easy. Finally answer will be like he is her maternal uncle, or he is like paternal something, or this is the grandfather, something like that. One answer will come. Or age also is there, okay, like 10 years ago mother was double the age of son, then after that it becomes something else, then it becomes equal, it becomes triple, it becomes half, like that. Many combinations of mother, father, son, age will be there, okay, which will be easy if you simply read that English statements. Then there is coding, decoding, like if Washington is coded as 1 2 3 7 8 9, then what is Delhi coded as, okay, some English letters to numbers, coding, decoding will be there, okay, or some instead of numbers they'll give hash at the rate, some symbols will be there, where it's meaning one English word is coded with some symbols. Now they'll give another English word and tell like, now with that code find out what will be the new code for the new one, okay. Again, go to the question paper, then you will understand what I'm telling. It's a very easy question. Then Venn diagram is there, meaning like in a society 20 people will be speaking in English, 30 people will be speaking in Bengali, then how many are there who speaks both, like that kind of, that you have to draw that Venn diagram in basic school level thing, and then you will understand, okay. That's also some formulas are there, but if you don't know formula based thing, as I told, go for the other questions, okay. And then cause and effect will be there, like statement A, assertion, reasoning. Then they will tell A explains R explains A, whether one explains the other, that kind of statement type question is there, okay. Now next one is the data interpretation, this orange one. So that is graph, pie chart, and block diagram, meaning last year even repo rate graph was there, okay, like a repo rate is going on increased by RBI, one graph was there. And then they asked like, when is what is the current situation in the economy, something like that. Answer was inflationary thing is going on, okay, because inflation is going on, only to control that repo rate is going on getting increased. So that is the basic thing. It's actually a GS question, okay, but they gave it in the CSAT paper, okay. Go and take the question paper, you will understand what I'm telling. Simply a repo rate graph they are given, which is increasing from left to right. So that means RBI governor is going on increasing the repo rate because you have to control the inflation. So that basic kind of graph, pie chart, or block diagram will be there, or the weather of different systems, different cities, like this many rainfall is there, this much temperature is there, or climate change, carbon emission is there, something. They'll give a chart and you have to answer based on the data given in the chart, okay. Everything is about time management, like how much time you take for solving each question, okay. Then tables, statistics, data sufficiency is the same thing which I told, different ways of giving you data, okay. This is the overall thing. From this, any 27 questions you have to take and solve. That is your goal in the exam hall, which you have 2 hours time, okay. So how many to attempt? As I told, 27 is all you need. So find out which is your strong area and try to get 27 from there itself, meaning if you like that blood relation or the passages or mathematics or formulas, whichever is your strong section, in the first 1 hour of the exam try to get that 27 thing, okay. But maximum please do only 50, okay, because humanly also possibility is that you cannot do more than 60 because of the pressure, the morning paper, the result of morning, afternoon lunch you had, many things are there. So you cannot think and your brain will not work up to the full capacity to do 80 questions, okay. Nobody can do 80 questions, that's my guarantee, okay. 65 is maximum you can do. So in that also it's actually too much. You just need, as I told, 27. Do maximum 45 questions. In that 45, any 27 if it's surely correct and your negative doesn't take away your marks which you have taken, which you have already scored, then you are done, okay. CSAT is done for you, okay. So your marks also, if you see, CSAT's mark is not counted anywhere. Your morning prelims mark itself is not counted anywhere, okay. It's just for qualifying the thing so that you go to the mains. After only your mains and interview thing is totaled and your rank is decided or your cadre is decided. The CSAT and prelims mark is nowhere counted, okay. So you cannot proudly go and tell like I got 120 in CSAT. Nobody cares of it, okay. Nobody really wants to know you got 120 or you just got that 66 mark. Both of you are equal, okay. So that is the basic thing. Now as a summary, I will tell you the 10 tips before showing you the question paper, okay. So 10 tips are: no need to study from lot of books, just buy the previous year Disha publication question paper book and solve the last 3 years or 4 years of question paper, okay. Try with the strongest area. I am sure you will score the 27 to 30 questions you need. Don't go by everything, okay. Just go for that best questions. Solve only previous 2 to 4 years of paper. Know your strength before going to the exam hall, meaning you should know I will attempt the passages, or I will attempt the this thing, data sufficiency, or I'll attempt the age related question or blood relation question. You should know because you have already seen previous year question. You know these all things are going to repeat again. So you should be ready for it and you should go to that section first itself, okay. Timing is 2:30 to 4:30. So morning 11:30 the prelims gets over, GS1. Then 2:30 only is your exam, meaning 3 hours gap you have. For lunch and relaxing you need more, maximum 45 minutes, okay. Remaining you have more than 2 hours. That time again, if you have a phone, put headset and in YouTube, just watch the previous year solved question from any channel. Even Vysh has many videos. Okay, or you have a book, means open the book and start doing the previous year question, because in that flow directly on 2:30 when you enter the hall, just by seeing all these previous year questions, you will see that most of the questions are repeating, most of the pattern is repeating, most of the formulas which you just now saw while solving the previous year question is again useful here. So you will easily clear. Okay, I'm seriously telling you, just use that 2 hours by sitting silently outside your exam hall somewhere, and then 2:30 sharp go to your 2:15 2:30 go to your exam hall, and it will be a very very easy paper for you. Okay, forget whatever happened in the morning paper. Don't get tensed or stressed or like I will fail, I don't know, don't calculate, don't discuss with anyone, nothing. Just you have to clear CSAT, and that is your only goal between 2:30 to 4:30. Okay, you have to do it before 4:15 itself. I'm telling, try to get your cutoff, and you will get the cutoff also if you were seriously following what I told. Keep your ego outside the exam hall, because there are some people like who will be some maths graduate or something and feel like, okay, this is like a train question or some boat question, something which is formula based, and I know this, I have done this all in my school, college, I was a gold medalist, so I have to solve it. Don't go with that ego. You may be whatever before entering the exam hall. Now you are equal to any other aspirant who is there in the hall. Okay, you just have to get that 27 questions, not like show off that you are the best mathematics student or you are the best in English passage reading. Okay, you just have to get that 27 and get out of there. Then try to score maximum in the first 1 hour itself. Okay, as I told, from the strong area, then you will feel relaxed. Don't take it lightly. Many people very slowly do the first 1 hour and struggle in the second 1 hour. Don't do that. In the first 1 hour itself, put all your force, all your pressure, all your energy, so that you get the cutoff by 3:30 p.m. itself. Okay, don't do it in order of questions. Like I told, opening itself, when you see, it will be mostly passages. If you are weak in passages, just skip it, turn the pages and go to the place where this is there, the problems are there, or mathematics is there, or decoding coding is there, data sufficiency. Go there and do that. You will see that easily 10 12 15 questions you are solving. Okay, and somehow take it to 27 is your goal by the end of 2 hours. And don't keep maths to the end, I will tell, because always mathematics formula, simply addition, subtraction, something you do wrong, and you will mark the, they'll purposely give confusing options also, and you will choose the wrong option at the end in a hurry, and it will turn to be negative marking. Okay, then don't depend on coaching answer keys after exam. Okay, because every coaching answer gives different ones. Even yesterday when the answer key came, most of the things which coaching institute told last year is complete blunder. Okay, whatever UPSC told is a totally different answer, what coaching institute told is a different answer. So please don't fall for these kind of things. Now we will see where you can see the question paper. I'm going on telling, go and check the question paper. Go to the UPSC website. In UPSC website, here in examination section, if you see here, cutoff marks, here previous year questions. Okay, previous year question paper, click here. Now the latest one which they uploaded yesterday will be there. Okay, so here if you see, these are combined defense, national defense, all these things are there, and Indian Forest Service, all these things will be there. Okay, so civil service mains is also there, and below that civil service prelims also will be there. So if you go to the next page, you can even search in the search column, okay, which is there in the starting search column is there, or here below mains, definitely somewhere prelims also should be there. Okay, so if you are not finding it here, yeah, here. So here, civil service preliminary examination 2021, you need paper 2. So click on this paper 2. Here one PDF will load. Okay, sometimes it will take a lot of time because of the size of the file, or your internet is slow, something, it will be there. Okay, so from there, set A will be the one which always they give. Okay, and here they will be given, okay, whatever, like 80 questions in Hindi and English, both is there in the starting. Okay, so here if you see they're starting with passage. So if you see a small passage and then one question, then again small passage, one question. And if you see, these are all GS type level things. Okay, here if you see, it is medicine and pollination. Here it is the LED light. If you know, in the morning paper there was a question in science which is based on the same passage, LED light and sodium lamp. This whatever article is there, from that article, that examiner made one GS1 question also, made one CSAT question also. Okay, this much lazy these people are. Okay, they take one article and they are disturbing you. Okay, they are troubling you. So you don't have to go and find the source, where is this from, but this one you have to see best critical inference. Okay, so more and more you read, more confusing it will become. Once you read, once you see the options, whichever your gut instinct tells, that will be the answer. Okay, if you know basic English, it will always be like that. Okay, I will try to do these passages in a separate video if I can do, because morning paper anyway we are doing previous year question. CSAT also I will try to do. So here lot of passages there, and there are many passages which even without reading the passage, right, you can solve it, because many statements will be very negative, very like criticizing our country. Those kind of statements will be never true. Okay, statements which are positive, little looking forward to, which are little less controversial, that kind of the ones are usually the ones which will be correct. Okay, this is just a blind guess method I'm telling. Okay, in case you don't get time to read the passages, finally you need 5-10 extra questions, you can go for the best positive statement. It will be 99%, it will be the correct answer. Okay, because UPSC answers will be never negative. Okay, so now if you see after 4 to 5 questions, here the maths is started. Okay, so this is like pure mathematics, division, addition and all, reminder. Then this is like, this is divisible by 7, so you should know the value of p. So this you can try it also, different options are there, put it and see, but that will take more time. If you know the trick to it, that's easier. Okay, here again, see, these are all mathematics, percentage, and then again statement type, statement conclusion type, assertion, reasoning, and then after some time the other things also will start. Okay, where the data interpretation all in between. See again passages, they have shuffled it all together. Okay, so if you see here, see, one person is going 10 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 30 kilometer. This now itself, you pause and see, there will be a very easy question for you. Okay, like where is like your bank and house, how much distance it is. Okay, and then here again numbers is there, woman runs this much north, south, east, west, and finally where are you. Okay, so just put north, east, west, south in a graph and try it. It's very, very silly, easy question. Okay, so like this, in this total 80 questions, you have to find out the best 27 questions. Okay, so here again, see, passage and statement type question, and then down if you see here, data oriented, see, some data is given and here something is missing, so you have to find the missing number. So there will be some sequence, 7, 10, 3, 3, 9, 6. So if you see here, 10 minus 7 is 3, here 9 minus 3 is 6, here 13 minus 10, it should be here 3 again. Okay, so here either it's 3a or 3b or 3c. So you have to see again how ABC is there. Here it is BAC, here it is CBA, next one is AC, so it will be B. So like that, you have to just see the sequence and you will get mark. Here also sequence, this sequence and this ABC or PQRST, these are the easiest questions to solve. Okay, according to me, for me this is the easiest one. So this and all, you will get 15 to 18 questions here itself correct, then you can easily reach the cutoff. Okay, so just try it. Please do the previous year questions today itself if you are free. Try to do this previous year questions of 1 or 2 years with the solutions. There will be a lot of YouTube videos. You will be easily going to the exam hall. Okay, and even as I told, between the morning paper and afternoon paper, there is a 3-hour gap. Make use of it and you will clear this exam. Okay, so these are the other videos which I will tell must watch before you enter the exam hall. 2016 to 20 solved paper, 21 also I'll try to do today or tomorrow itself. So we are putting extra hours now just to make you clear this exam. Okay, we have kept on hold all the lectures, all the other works, everything is on hold just to make you clear this prelims, because after that it's the mains thing which again we'll take care of it. Okay, but please take this seriously. Okay, the CSAT and all these things we tell. Test series, I don't force you to come and join now, because in 2 days you cannot study a new test series altogether. Okay, but still next year again we will open that time. In case you feel this channel is helping you, you can buy the test series, because how much ever I explain in videos or this thing, 3 times more than that will be effective our test series. Okay, because again every test is designed by me myself. Okay, every question I am making the options, I am making the all the data, all the links which is given, everything is by my own research, so you can expect the same quality. Okay, then subscribe our channel so that we can give you free videos continuously. So thank you and have a nice day.